I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by planning a single, clear message and blocking 3 essential shots: wide, medium, close. Once done, set your iPhone to airplane mode and enable Do Not Disturb so notifications do not interrupt recording. Attach a tripod for stability and plug in an external mic to improve voice clarity. This matters because audio quality signals professionalism. Make sure to pick 16:9 framing and camera settings, or record vertically if your channel favors shorts. Then check exposure and lock focus before you press record. You now focus on capturing clean, usable footage. Start by setting resolution to 4K at 30 FPS or 1080 at 60 FPS for smooth motion. Lock AE/AF and enable the grid to align subjects. Record shorter segments rather than one long take, and clap or flash the phone at the start of each clip to make syncing easier in editing. Monitor audio with headphones. Place the mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth to avoid room echo. Once comfortable, add B-roll for context and visual variety. You finish by assembling clips, trim for pace, apply light color correction, add lower thirds and B-roll to reinforce your points. Normalize audio to around -6 dB so loud parts never peak, and export as MP4 using H.264 or H.265. For 1080p, choose 8 to 12 Mbps to balance quality and file size. Once exported, upload with a descriptive title, tags, and subtitles. If the upload fails, restart the app, verify storage and network, then re-encode at a lower bitrate before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.